Hey guys, hope you're doing well. In the last video on this topic, we took a look at this, which is the HD screen protectors from Screen Protech. And they're holding up very well. All of the tiny little air bubbles, and there was a few of them that I'd missed, have indeed completely dissipated, and the film is absolutely flat and perfect. This is the HD version though, and you can probably see this on camera if I wave my hand above it. There is a little bit of reflectivity going on here, which isn't really ideal because the Taycan has a pretty good anti-glare coating on these screens as standard. Some other great things to note about this film, which I've noticed, obviously it's held up brilliantly, no scratches at all, it seems really tough, really durable. Fingerprints, yeah, it does still fingerprint a little bit, not as bad as what it did before. You can maybe see that on camera there. I have my polarizer off, so you should see the reflections pretty well, and yet not ideal from that perspective. But obviously, the key thing here is your screen is ultimately protected, which is great. So this film is going to do that job. And I did call out it would be good to see what the anti-glare version of this looked like on a future video, and they very kindly, big shout out to them, so thanks for that, have sent me through some of the anti-glare product to try. So what I'm going to do is peel this off and apply the anti-glare film in place of this. Now, I'm not going to go through the application process. Please do check out the previous video. I will post a link in the description outlining that. But this one here is all about getting this film off and putting the anti-glare on. This is just the process of peeling the old film off, which I'm hoping should be pretty straightforward. Fingers crossed. Another great thing about this film is it gives you much better tactile feel, so your fingers don't slide over it quite as easily, which is great because this car has obviously no buttons. So if you're driving along, bouncing down the road, and you're trying to get a hold on this to press a button, this actually works pretty well. So this is better than the standard coating on the screen. Okay, that came off like an absolute dream, so don't be scared about removing this film. It's not a nightmare like you might have on your car when removing PPF, for example. So well done, Screen Protech, on that one. And you'll notice here, right, so this is the standard Taycan screen, and up here we're still protected with HD. Look at the reflectivity. The standard Taycan is better in that respect, and these guys did proactively say, look Tab, we think you'll have a better experience, better results using the anti-glare film, so give that a try. Okay, that's on, very easy process. Obviously we're going to have to give it time for all that soap solution to evaporate from the back, so it might look a little bit patchy in places at the moment as it settles down, but difference, right? Old, new. No glare at all, no reflection, night and day difference, you can see that. Let me just come out there a little bit on the lens. Yeah, there we go. So yeah, old, plenty of reflections, new, nothing. And look at that, no fingerprints. Okay, I've actually applied it to the entire car now. With the HD film, I didn't apply it to the entire car because you do get cutouts for the heater surround. You can see there the vent output there. And I didn't feel the need to because you're just adding more gloss to gloss. But because this has such a cool anti-glare satin finish, I've also added it to the heater surround too, so it really takes the gloss away and just gives it this nice, cool, seamless finish across the dash there. And I think it blends in really well with the leather and just gives it a nice, understated finish versus the previous gloss. And the fit of the kit is absolutely wonderful. It fits really well there, even to having the little wraparound inside the heater vent there. But yeah, it looks very cool indeed. So the guys at Screen Protech contacted me and asked me if I wouldn't mind showing off the product a few days after installation, and that's exactly where we're at now. You have to give it a chance for the soap film to evaporate out from underneath the product to show it in its best light, and of course that's only fair. They supplied this product to me to review, so I need to do it some justice. But look at it. It is absolutely stunning in the Taycan, this product. I have to say, it is light years ahead from the HD film that we had before in this car. It works so well in the Taycan. So if you're interested in getting this product, the one to get is the anti-glare version. The link is in the description. It is very much appreciated if you use that link to provide your support to the channel. But just look at the finish here. It is absolutely stunning, really seamlessly blends in the display with the leather console here. And if we come over here to the heater surround there, that was piano black gloss before. We are now looking at a lovely satin finish, which I think just looks so much better in the Taycan than the black gloss, which I think looks a little bit on the cheaper side, if I'm honest. But here is the best thing about this product. Are you ready for this? It is virtually impossible to put fingerprints on the screen now. Before, it was a fingerprint magnet with the standard Porsche coating. Look at this. It just, I mean, it is absolutely amazing just what it does for fingerprints. So if you're worried about fingerprints in this car, this doesn't really reduce them, it pretty much stops them. So an awesome job here from the guys at Screen Protech with this product. It is thoroughly recommended for the Taycan. That's it for this one. Do stay safe, stay well. See you in the next one. Bye for now.